At this stage we're ready for stage 3 of creating the website pages for Computer Crazy for assignment 20.3, and in this stage we need to start putting the JavaScript in. So in this tutorial I'm just going to give you an example of how to do this, setting up the form fields for the membership form and the JavaScript validation to make sure the details entered for those form fields are correct. We're not going to actually write any code because it was already done in the class activities, where there was an activity which was called activity JavaScript forms validation, and at the end of that you should have had a form like this which basically validates all the fields for you. So this was an example for Massage for You, and if you press the submit button then the validation is carried out. We've actually got this because you completed that in the class activity. This is all the code for that, and basically we just need to transfer this code to Dreamweaver or anywhere for the Computer Crazy website. In fact, you don't need to use Dreamweaver, I will in this example, but if we copy this code in, it should work for Computer Crazy as well. Let's have a look what we've got. So I'm going to use the form, the membership form that I've set up for Computer Crazy. At the moment it's based on the Unit 28 version, so that's got all the form fields here are based on Dreamweaver's way of doing it, which uses special spry forms fields. We can't use those, so I'm just going to delete the lot, delete the whole of that form that's there and recreate it basically. If I click anywhere in the form and I click on the red line, if I look down the bottom here, you get the whole form is highlighted. A little tag down the bottom highlights the form. If I press delete now, when my laptop catches up, it should delete the whole form. There you go, it's gone. So at the moment in the main content area, let's just make sure that has gone. Oh, we've still got something left. I'm just going to get rid of that. Make sure my form. Right, I've definitely got nothing in there. So I've just got a blank page. I need to put the JavaScript into this page and the form. Let's go and have a look at the code for the class activity. So this is the code for this form. The activity we did in class to create this form. All I need to do is copy parts of this code. First piece I need is the JavaScript itself. That's in these script tags. Now I've already got the script tags in my form that I've got my page I've got open in Dreamweaver, so I just need to copy the actual JavaScript functions. So I'm going to copy all the way down until just before the last script tag there, and I'm going to copy all of that, and in Dreamweaver I need to go to code. I'm not going to paste it directly here because this is JavaScript and I just want to keep it out of the way of everything else. I'm going to put it in the head of the web page. If you look down there, that's the end of the header / head tag. So I'm just going to create a space there and I'm just going to insert the JavaScript. So what I've got now is the JavaScript, and I've just realized that I do need the script tags. So let's just go back. I should have copied the script tags across. So let's do that now, because I need those in that page. So I'm going to copy that script and I'm going to put it in the Dreamweaver. So I need to put that before the very first piece of JavaScript, which was there with the comment. So I've got a script tag, so that tells the browser when this page runs that all of this is script and it should treat it differently than the HTML. I need to put an end script tag, so I'll just put that in there. Okay, that's what I should have been. So I've got my JavaScript. At the moment I've got nothing else in there. I haven't got the form in there. So let's get the form tags from the page we completed in the activities. So I'm back onto this one, and there you go, there's the form tag there. All the lovely HTML I need, I just copy from the start of the form tag all the way down to the end form tag. I copy it and let's just put it, I want to paste it here but it's code, so I need to go into the code section. I don't know what all those things have been put in there by Dreamweaver, so let's just get rid of them. But I know I'm in the right place because I'm in the main content area, and I just pasted them. Let's have a look at what we got. Okay, so now we've got a web page. The JavaScript's been inserted. The form fields are hand coded, which is what we need for this assignment. No Dreamweaver ones in there. There's a few odd screwy things that may need tidying up, like these what are called blank spaces, tags. They don't seem to have worked, so let's just keep that there. There's a few other things, the form fields, that are not right for the computer crazy scenario, but all of these, first name, last name, address, male, female and age, are the same. Some of these checkboxes here need to be changed, but you can do that when you actually get to it. But let's see if the page works. So I'm going to see what it's like in Internet Explorer, and hopefully all the validation and all the form fields work correctly. So I'll give my laptop about 2 days to recover, and it should come up with Internet Explorer, hopefully. Is this it? Or is it still thinking? Well, let's have a look. It wasn't blinking at me, and it hasn't come up with allow block content. Well, it is the form, so this is the tag. Let's see if the validation's working. I'll press submit. Oh, now it comes up with the allow block content. Right, let's go back. There you go. So it's doing all the validation. All I've done is paste the code in. I haven't inserted anything new, and as you can see, my validation is working. So the same code, the same fields, same JavaScript that we did in the class activities is now working for the Computer Crazy website, and it seems to be working fine. That's a start. When you're doing it yourself, you need to look at the case study, see which actual form fields you need. You need all these, so you've got all those, and make the changes you need to do for those. You need to change some of those checkboxes, I think. And that really is it. I know you don't need this particular one in there, that particular line, because that was just an example for this, so you could delete that. And some of these other bits and pieces, but I'll leave you to actually do those. But you get a working form really just by copying and pasting code. So go and do that for your own, and then you've got the membership form completed, and then you can have a look at the JavaScript for the other 2 pages you need to do.